Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model Whitney TF9 in color code 01D. It's a shiny black gold color frame. It has a gold detailing on the side of the temples, and at the temple tip it has a Tom Ford logo in gold. As well for this side. This frame is made in Italy, right over here. The lenses are a polarized gray color, and it also has a little tag stating that the lenses are 100% UV protection polarized lenses. Up here, we have the Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.